In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for iCloud and Apple Music in Nigeria. If you're struggling with this, you're definitely not alone, but don't worry, we've got a simple step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to choose a virtual dollar card provider. Some popular options include platforms like Nearpays, Cardtonic, Cardify, and Getly. These platforms are great because they allow you to create and manage virtual dollar cards that work internationally, even if you're in Nigeria. Take some time to explore these options and choose the provider that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen a provider, the next step is to create and fund your virtual dollar card. You'll start by signing up on your chosen platform. This typically involves providing some basic information and creating an account. After you've signed up, it's time to fund your card. Depending on the provider you choose, you may have a few options here. You might fund your card using your Naira debit card, initiate a bank transfer, or even use cryptocurrency. Be sure to check what options are available and follow the directions provided by your chosen platform. Now that you have a funded virtual card, let's move on to adding it to your Apple ID. Grab your device and head over to Settings, tap on your name at the top, then select Payment and Shipping. Here, you'll want to tap on Add Payment Method. You'll then enter your virtual card details. In some cases, you might need to use a US billing address, so be prepared to have that on hand if required. With your payment method set up, the next step is to subscribe to the Apple services you want. If you're interested in Apple Music, open the Apple Music app. You'll see various subscription plans available. Choose the one that works best for you and follow the instructions to complete your subscription. For iCloud storage, go back to Settings, tap on your name, then iCloud. Navigate to Manage Storage and select a storage plan that meets your needs. It's a smooth process, and once you've made your choice, you'll be all set up. A couple of tips to keep in mind as you go through this process: ensure that you're using accurate billing information. When adding your payment methods, be sure to use valid billing addresses when required to avoid any potential issues. Additionally, monitor exchange rates and be aware of any fees that might be associated with funding your virtual dollar card. This way you can avoid any surprises and ensure a smooth transaction experience. And there you have it. That's how you can pay for iCloud and Apple Music in Nigeria using a virtual dollar card. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Apple services.